Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. This is the spindle that we made several days ago from the tree of heaven. We have several of them growing in our backyard, and because it was so hollow or full of a very soft pith, I put a 2.5 inch oak twig in there to use that for the point to stick up into my bearing block, and it did a good job even though it's way off center. And but I harvested this green, put it in the back glass of the Camry for 6 hours, and then was able to get an ember out of it. But that ember never really coalesced just right. We were able to go ahead and get our friction fire. But I said at the end of that video, once this spindle has more time to dry, I'm suspecting that it'll make a better dust pile, ember, one that will coalesce and come together tightly. Let's go ahead and try that out this morning. I used it on this pine board. So when you're using a hollow spindle, you don't want to leave that plug in there, because that's just going to fit back up in that hollow and make friction that you're not going to get anything out of. It's going to make drag. So try to pop that little plug out of there. Let's give it a try. Tree of Heaven spindle, more dried out than the last time you saw it, on a pine fireboard. Leaves for tinder, and I'm going to bump it up with a little bit of fat wood so I can go ahead and get a mosquito repellent fire going quickly. We got a great big ember, and of course the tip held up well. I used that divot right there. The set performed beautifully, but is that ember going to coalesce? Yeah, I can already tell. Let's roll it around a little bit. That's what you want. You don't want it to stay in powder form, because when you drop it in your tinder, it'll just fall to pieces, into 1,000 pieces, and you'll lose all that heat. right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.